So let's fish this boot out of here. Come on. Come on. Why are you such a pain? That's all you gotta do is pull it out. It's so easy. Oh, it's so easy. Yeah, it's so easy, guys. Oh, it's so easy. I'm so close. Oh, I'm so close to it. Come on. Oh, got it. Straight up. Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. We got it. This tick normal? Oh, sounds good to me. I bet you Derek's not working on a BMW. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a tune-up on the 2014 BMW X5. It's got about 120,000 miles on it, and I don't think it's ever been tuned up. I did go ahead and buy all of the coils. So the coils, let's talk parts for a second. These individual coil-over plugs cost $80 on Amazon. Just one, and I'll show you why here in a second. Just one at the parts store, because I already had to go buy one, is $65. So it's a heck of a savings to buy a whole pack of 5 and replace them all. And they need to be replaced. I'll show you. Two have already been replaced. And then spark plugs. So it's about $25, $26 for a set of spark plugs. It's over $20 for just one at the parts store. So yeah, this is going to save a lot of money on this tune-up. So I'm just going to jump right into it. We'll get started. It's going to be a quick video. There it goes. All right, well, what looked like it might be easy is not that easy. So you got to take a bunch of stuff off the air cleaner. That wiring harness is the biggest problem because there's hidden under it back there are 2 of the 6 cylinders. So that's going to be, yeah, we'll have fun getting those 2 out. The rest of these aren't going to be too bad. So there was a T30, one random bolt back there for the bracket that holds those 2 wires. These 2 wires on. This little bracket. This bracket, there's a T30 and the rest are T25. So that makes no sense. 2 T25s and a couple T25s over there. All T25s to get the air cleaner out. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with. And then obviously this extension, it's a 14 millimeter 12 point is what we're going to take these out. So let me start taking them out and we'll talk through everything else after that. Well, I pulled the first one out already. They're pretty simple. This little lever just pops up and it slides off. But as you can see, that one compared to this one, the boot is missing. And that's what happened. That's why I had to replace it. Not only did that boot come off, this part cracked on the other one. So let's fish this boot out of here. And it ripped into pieces. The original one, or the other one, it was such a pain to get it out. It just continued to rip. The boot was in, see, luckily I got the boot here in one piece, but the one that was stuck down in there that they had replaced was not friendly. I tore this into little bitty pieces, so that is not going back in. So I did replace these 2 already because I didn't like what they look like. Lots of threads. So this one is not, this one's one from the Mini Cooper, so the third one is one that I did not replace yet, so I'll show you that one here in a minute. A little bit of never sees on there to make sure they never sees. Anti-seize, never sees. Same thing, right? Then don't forget to put some dielectric grease in here. These come off, and this one will slide right down here. This guy will go on here. There we go. So this is a Bosch VW. I want to say they're original. And then here's the others. So the electrode is worn about halfway down. So we'll hang on to all these just in case. And then with this original one, this second one, I wanted to take the boot off. But this one seems to be, nope. No, I'm wrong. This one is not broken, but this second one, this cracked and broke when I tried to take it apart. So good that this one's not broken. We'll see if any others break, but yeah, I'll do these other two and then let you know how hard it is to get. I think this one's not going to be that bad, but that one. So I'll bring you back for probably that last one. Well, so far, aside from getting that wiring off of there and taking the piping stuff off, it's not too bad. Number 5 was okay. I'm about to do number 6. All right. So looks the best way is going to be to pull the wiring harness thing forward. Move to the side of the car by the tire. Pull it out. Yeah, pull it out. That's all you gotta do is pull it out. So easy. Oh, it's so easy. Yeah, it's so easy, guys. Oh, it's so easy. I'm so close. Oh, I'm so close to it. I just can't get leverage up under this cowl. Come on. Oh, got it. All right. Straight up, straight up. Got it. There it is. And it's original, of course it is. So I will tell you the one difference. I use a 6-inch extension and then 4-inch extension on these other ones. But I had to go to the 6-inch extension, drop it in there, and then just use this 1-inch extension because you can't get much else back there on these last two. So let's see if we can get it in there without even seeing it. Because I can't see it. Bang. It's back there. It is not. Where are you? I can't see a thing. Well, all right. Well, the trick is going to be to fight this down in there, but the camera's in my way and there's no way I can't not lay across the whole hood and get it done. So I'm going to do it. Oh. I just don't see how that's going to work. All right, I'm going to try again. It was close. I had it, but I don't know if I'd get when it's got a spark plug on there, I don't know how it's going to come out. So I got it down there. I'm on the spark plug. My light died, of course it did. I think I'm gonna go straight for the ratchet. All right, give me my other extension. There's the one in, yeah. Just as I thought, it's a little tough to get this thing out of here with the spark plug on it. But I got it. We got it. Let's go. No, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful on this one so you don't mess up on my Durango. Dropping one down in, it's pretty tough to get to like this. It hit the bottom or side of the bottom. It zeroed, pushed in the whole electrode and zeroed out my spark plug gap. That was not preferred. It's going. Let's just put it that way. It's going. I wonder what Derek's doing today. I bet you Derek's not working on a BMW. Let's get my stubby bob on there. Come on, stubby bob. There we go. This one would be extremely difficult to get a torque wrench on. Just saying. You know, come on. Come on. Why are you such a pain to come out of there, extension? Got it. I got it. All right. Last one going in. Where you at, buddy? No, am I there? No, there it is. Gotta go back a little bit. Just a little bit. Almost there. There we go. There we go. Going down is not quite as hard as coming up. But now I gotta get the plug on there. You know, I can almost see. Why are all my lights already dead? There we go. Whew. Lights dead. Well, it was tricky, but it wasn't impossible. So again, this 6-inch extension and this 1-inch with a wobble. Didn't necessarily need the wobble, but you need about 7. So 6 inches will get down in there, and then you need, because it's like flat with the valve cover and this wiring thing, you need an extra inch to get it there. But yeah, you got to kind of work behind and in front and under that crossover. Yep, put your foot on the brake and push the start button. This tick normal? Oh, sounds good to me. All right, guys, well, that's it. It is only a little tricky. It's not too bad. That wiring loom across the back is a pain, but you have to watch out a couple of on the passenger side, those Torx, the screws are a little bit bigger than the other two over here, because on where it screws into that valve cover is a little bigger. You'll if you put it in the smaller ones, they'll spin, and you'll be like, why did I put the wrong one in? Like I did, but it's pretty easy to switch out. Getting those tubes back in is good, and everything else seemed fine. So yeah, went back together. Seems to be running good. That tick, I think, had that tick before. So sounds like a normal fuel tick. So maybe it'll get used to the new plugs and stuff when we're done. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Easy tune-up. I think I need to change oil eventually and get an air filter. But other than that, everything else looks good. Saved hundreds, literally hundreds. So if let's just say 7 and 5, so $350 if you're counting tax and everything. That's just buying it from a parts store. That's not, so $350 just for the coils. If you're going to do a shop, the shop is going to charge like 50% more than that. So plus labor. So yeah, you're looking at a lot of money. And then the spark plugs, if they're $20 each at the parts store, that's $100. So $550 to go to AutoZone or O'Reilly versus $100. Yeah, no brainer. Save some cash, keep this car on the road. Kid will take it to college, and we'll be all set. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the free things. See you next time.